just saying, you're gonna kick my ass, man. I tell you, I'm the worst cameraman in the world, man.
I can't see it. Forgot my glasses. Forget to put your wheels down. Yeah, really. Where are they? I forgot those damn long distance things. I've gotten used to it. I never realized how much I was, you know. I like the heavy walking thing. It's just like now that I forgot them, it's like, wow. Becoming dependent. Oh, I never thought that day would come. Maybe it's just it's kind of like, you know, silhouetted right now. You know, you get real. I lose it. I just can't feel comfortable. All right. Good land.
It's not the wings I'm worried about. It's the battery is not Velcroed only on the bottom. It's not like strapped in place.
Okay.
And those maneuvers will basically pop the battery right off.
Yeah.
What was that, a 90?
That was an 18.8, right?
I'm worried that I'm going to get hit by somebody. There would be like 3 pieces of balsa and a white covering left.
We found out that the bananas were almost ripe enough to pick, but we decided, even though we were imitating the spirit of St. Louis, we just couldn't get that banana bunch from that gorilla anyway. He was too fast, so we'll have to try it another day. It did pretty good, but it's still trying to get to do a better knife edge without wind. It gives me more trouble with the knife edge, so I guess for the knife edge it needs a little more tail weight.
Cool. Anything else?
It does a nice inverted flight, but you still have to hold some elevator as you fly it. Keep it from dropping. I don't know why it was gliding longer with hardly no wind this afternoon. Depot for Mark.